similar picture with DigitalOcean, so I'm going to assume the same thing here. We broke out into a new uptrend here on March 30th, and at this point we are thinking about buying the dollar. This is US dollar. But a few days later, notice what happened. We came down, we almost broke below this red support resistance line. We touched it on 5 different occasions actually, and then another time right there where I'm hovering on 1st of May as well. And so right now we're seeing this move for the lines and for the price. Notice that the price is basically stuck right between the red support resistance line and the blue. And the red line is representative of the bear market and blue is the bull market. So any move really up or down will pretty much seal the fate of the US dollar. If the move is up and we close above the blue line, it would imply a reaffirmation of the bull market, and most likely the dollar will continue higher. Vice versa, if we close below the red line, which is also extremely close, we can say that the dollar will be in a downtrend and it will continue most likely lower. What does that mean for gold? Gold is indeed traded in US dollars. So notice here gold divided by US dollar. So if the US dollar is getting bigger, it will pull the currency pair in lower. If this lower part of this equation, US dollar getting smaller, then the gold will pull it up, okay? Because gold will remain constant, but the bottom part of the equation got smaller, so the currency pair will move up. So basically we're waiting for whichever way the dollar will break, and then that's the direction we want to trade gold. At this point, I don't know. We're seeing several buy signals for gold, but as I just said, if the dollar decides to continue higher, then gold will most likely come under pressure. So we're waiting for which way the dollar will break. Euro currently is basically the reason why we're not sure which way the dollar will break, because it seems like it wants to go higher, but it's also extremely close to a bear market.